In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Ocean chat theme on Facebook Messenger. It's quite simple and easy, so just follow these simple steps. And first you need to open up Messenger application, and here let's get in any conversation you want to change theme. Let it be this one, and on the next step you need to tap on the conversation name. And here at the first place we see the theme feature. Tap here, and in the pop-up window you can select any theme you want. I will choose the Ocean one, and on the next step on preview you can see how this theme will looks like. Then just tap on select button, and if you go back for a step you will see that this theme was successfully applied to this exact conversation. I hope it helps you, and before you go, please like and subscribe.